BSc Mathematics 5th semester paper 5 of Bengaluru University. In this video, we are going to learn about the curl of a vector point function. First, let us define the curl of a vector field. See here we have taken f vector is equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k, and the curl of the vector point function f is denoted by curl f or del cross f. This del cross f is again defined as the determinant I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, f1, f2, f3. If this curl of a vector means the determinant is equal to 0, then we call the given vector as irrotational vector. See, if del cross f is equal to 0, then the given vector is said to be irrotational. Okay, so based on these two formulae, let us work out few problems. First problem, if phi is a scalar function, show that del cross grad phi is equal to 0. Now we have grad phi is equal to dou phi by dou x I plus dou phi by dou y j plus dou phi by dou z k. This is the formula for gradient of a phi. After knowing this, let us substitute this in the del cross grad phi. Means curl of grad phi. See, curl formula is I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. The components of the given vector grad phi are, the component of I is dou phi by dou x, dou phi by dou y is j's, and similarly dou phi by dou z is k's. So by taking this determinant and evaluating, we get I into dou by dou y of dou phi by dou z. That is nothing but dou square phi by dou y dou z. Then dou by dou z of dou phi, means we are multiplying these terms. So that is dou square phi by dou y dou z. Then minus j into dou square phi by dou x dou z, means excluding this column elements, we are operating with these two. So that is dou by dou x of dou phi by dou z, which is nothing but dou square phi by dou x dou z. Then operating with dou by dou z to dou phi by dou x, we get dou square phi by dou x dou z plus k into, now exclude this column and this row, and remaining elements are dou by dou x of dou phi by dou y, that is dou square phi by dou x dou y, and dou by dou y of dou phi by dou x is dou square phi by dou x dou y. Now you see the terms, first term dou square phi by dou y dou z, same term is this also, so we subtract this, so this becomes 0. Then dou square phi by dou x dou z, this again subtracting with dou square phi by dou x dou z, this also 0. Then subtracting with this also we get 0. Therefore, the curl of grad phi is 0. Now let us take another problem. If f is equal to x square yi minus 2xzj plus 2yzk, find curl f. See here we have to find out curl f, means del cross f we have to find. So now we have the formula del cross f is equal to I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and the coefficient of the I, j, k in the vector f are x square y, and coefficient of z is minus 2xz, and coefficient of this is this. Now after evaluating this determinant, we get I into dou by dou y of 2yz minus dou by dou z of minus 2xz minus j into dou by dou x of 2yz minus dou by dou z of x square y plus k into dou by dou x of minus 2xz minus dou by dou y of x square y. After simplifying this, we get 2z plus 2x into I plus 0j y0, because derivative of 2yz with respect to x is 0 and derivative of x square y with respect to z is 0. So the coefficient of z becomes 0. Then the derivative of minus 2xz with respect to x is minus 2z minus derivative of x square y with respect to y is minus x square. Now after simplifying this, we get 2z plus 2x into I minus 2z plus x square into k. So this is the curl of the given vector f. Let us solve one more problem. Find the curl f if f is equal to x square yi minus 2xzj plus 2yzk. See, in the previous problem, just only one curl we found, but here we are finding curl f. Means 2 times we have to find the curl of the function f. So first let us recall the formula. Del cross f is equal to ijk dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and the coefficients of ijk in the above vector are x square y minus 2zx, 2yz respectively, and we have taken that in the third row. Now let us simplify this one. So on simplification we get I dou by dou y of 2yz. See, like this we are evaluating. So dou by dou y of 2yz minus dou by dou z of minus 2xz minus j dou by dou x of 2yj minus dou by dou z of x square y plus k into dou by dou x of minus 2zx minus dou by dou y of x square y. And this again on simplification we get 2z plus 2x into I minus j into 0 plus k into minus 2z minus x square. See, one time we have found the curl of f. Now again one more time we have to find the curl for this resultant vector. See, now again let us take curl f. So in this one curl f function, the previous function we are considering, that is 2z plus 2x 0 minus 2z minus x square, coefficients in that function. Now after evaluating we get I into dou by dou y of this function, dou by dou z of 0 and minus j into dou by dou x of minus 2z minus x square minus dou by dou z of 2z plus 2x and k into the dou by dou x of 0 and dou by dou y of 2z plus 2x. That's what this term indicates. Now after evaluating this we get the derivatives of the first terms are 0. Then derivative of this with respect to x is minus 2x. Okay, and this is minus 2. So minus into minus again we made it as plus. So 2 plus 2x into j plus 0. So the curl f is equal to 2 plus 2x into j. See, only j coordinate will be present. Next problem. Let us show that the given vector function is a irrotational function. To show that the given vector function is irrotational, we have to prove that the curl f is equal to 0. So now let us consider first curl f. So curl f of the given problem is written as ijk dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and the coefficients of ijk in the vector f are 6xy plus z cube, 3x square minus z, 3xz square minus y respectively. Then let us evaluate this. I into dou by dou y of this function, dou by dou z of 3x square minus z minus j into dou by dou x of 3xz square minus y, dou by dou z of 6xy plus z cube plus k into dou by dou x of 3x square minus z, dou by dou y of 6xy plus z cube. So simplifying this we get minus 1 plus 1 into I minus 3z square into j plus 6x minus 6x into k. That is equal to 0. Therefore f is irrotational. When we get curl f is equal to 0, then the given vector will be irrotational. So let us solve another problem of finding a, b, c constants given in the vector. Vector f is equal to 9x plus 2y plus ax in az into I plus bx minus 3y minus z into j plus 4x plus cy plus 2z into k is irrotational. See, when the given vector is irrotational, the curl of that function will be equal to 0. So first let us calculate curl of this function, that is ijk dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, 9x plus 2y plus az, bx minus 3y minus z, 4x plus cy plus 2z. So let us evaluate this determinant. See, when you evaluate this determinant, we get I into dou by dou y of 4x plus cy plus 2z minus dou by dou z of bx minus 3y minus z into minus j of dou by dou x 4x plus cy plus 2z minus dou by dou z of 9x plus 2y plus az and k of dou by dou x bx minus 3y minus z minus dou by dou y of 9x plus 2y plus az. Now when you simplify this one, so we get c plus 1 into I minus 4 minus a into j plus b minus 2 into k is equal to 0. When the curl f is equal to 0, it is understood that the given function is irrotational. Okay, so after solving this equation, we get a is equal to 4, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 1. Like this, the unknown constants can be found by using the irrotational functions. Thank you.